For high-quality brakes and tyres in and around Honiton, Car Maintenance Centre Limited has everything your vehicle needs. Your tyres are a critical part of your car's safety and comfort. They are the only part of your car in contact with the road at all times. As well as bringing safety to your vehicle, fresh tyres can keep your vehicle legal, as any tyres below the minimum requirements may result in a fine and penalty points on your licence. Whatever the type of tyre you're looking for, we stock a wide range of makes and sizes and can order in any special tyres you may need. We stock Bridgestone, Goodyear, Continental, Dunlop, BF Goodrich, Firestone and many more. We can also supply and fit budget tyres if you prefer. In our professional, clean and tidy workshop, we also offer top quality brake servicing and products for the widest selection of cars. Keeping your brakes in good order is critical for the safety of your vehicle, and we aim to bring the condition and efficiency of your braking system back to as close to the manufacturer's original specification as possible. Car Maintenance Centre Limited. Call, email or visit our website today.